You want to talk about excited and dedicated. We knew it was going to be blizzard conditions, snowing, cold. This morning at Brian's house, it was -6, probably slightly crazy, maybe mostly crazy. All right, we gotta stop for a minute. The frickin' blades are frickin' there. Doc! Gotcha. All right. Huh? Oh, I almost lost my phone. Bruce. A little bit. All right. that one didn't quite make a.
That one was.
Snow. Look at this guy.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, buddy.
Get it done.
Look at this frickin' trailer.
Oh,
look at this guy. Holy crap.
Can I take his truck and do that?
Look at his side windows. You can't see anything out of them. All right, if he can do it, we can do it with a trailer. Jump in.
Yeah, I'll just sit on the back of the trailer.
Okay, you sit on the trailer and film. I asked Bruce before we went on this adventure, are you sure we should go this week? He said yes. All right, buddy. All right, so now we know that we need to run the wipers every, I don't know, so often to keep them from freezing to the windshield. We've learned something today. Looks like we've got a semi-truck that's not able to make his way up the hill.
Just don't stop.
He's backing up. Is he rolling?
No, it's not, but just don't stop.
There's a van that's...
No, he's rolling. He's in reverse. See his reverse lights? What do you want me to do? Go around them?
Yeah, just don't stop though. If you stop, you may not see them.
Think I should go on that side of them?
I would stay to the left.
Left?
That car's getting out of your way.
Yeah, stay to the left.
I think it's that car that's got him jammed up. See where they were over here. They just can't get up the hill, I guess.
But we can.
But we can. We got four-wheel drive, baby.
Oh, got another one up here.
There's another one.
Yeah, he's just
Well, he's going forward anyway.
we're just gang banging him with
I mean, well, I guess the GoPro works in the cold. Back home, it's always shutting off on me because it's freaking hot. I'm sitting there talking away to the GoPro. I'm like, wait a minute, the son of a bitch ain't on. That is beautiful right there, man. That's pretty cool. How does Ashley's hair look, everybody? We're turning the camera on. She wants to know. I keep telling her it looks fine. We're here at Semi-Casual. Mr. Brian.
It's
going on? Gave us a ride here. The truck is right outside. I can see a glimpse of it. We're waiting on Tommy to come downstairs and we're gonna go check this thing out. It is looking pretty beautiful. I don't know if you can see it through the window or not, but you guys are doing some stuff out there.
We got some parts laid out for you, and we've done a few things already.
Yeah?
Yeah, like this is a surprise.
Huh.
Someone's got a
wait.
birthday Friday.
Who's got a birthday Friday?
Trucker Chris.
Oh, Trucker Chris has a birthday Friday. Happy birthday to me. So this is all my birthday present?
Yeah, we worked a little bit, like I talked with Ashley, and then there's some birthday presents
Okay.
out there for you.
All right, well, hurry up, Tommy. We got work to do.
Here you go.
Uh-oh. Man, oh man. CX-15. Beautiful green Pete.
Diesel like green.
There's a surprise is the reason the hood is
Yeah.
like it. Yeah, there's a surprise there. This is all Ashley's doing here. But
Let's check this out. Oh God.
That turned out so good.
I had a feeling.
what do you think about that?
That is freaking beautiful, guys.
Oh, I love it. Turned out awesome.
That knocked it out of the park right there.
Yeah, buddy.
You know I was going to have you do that eventually. So you just went ahead and did it.
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome.
It turned out really good.
Look at those front tires, man.
And we know you're hauling some big stuff, so we've already got some things set out we're going to put on today before y'all get out of here, which won't take us long. We've got the hidden strobe light kit, which goes in behind the grill.
I like
That's
it.
one of the things we sell on our website a ton of.
Okay.
It's a pretty cool setup. And then we've also got these brackets that are going to go on the side of the fuel tanks,
Okay.
and that'll give you strobes for the side of the truck.
I can't wait.
We got painted window chops, and the inside of the visor is painted for you.
That's awesome.
That was a fun little ordeal. Yesterday, it was kind of a fire drill. We had a thing, and we made it happen though. Stay a little late.
Basically, flames shot out of our breaker box,
Huh.
and then we had to shut down the whole paint side of the building. So, yeah, we didn't have a paint booth, but we got it done.
That does sound interesting.
And then we've got your CB, and we'll put that in today too.
Heck yeah.
And we
So you got some stacks?
We got some top stacks. We're gonna change. These are a little small.
Yeah.
You know, I think it needs some bigger ones.
Well, we were going to do something, and that looks perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it. I like it. What is this stuff here?
So on the inside,
Okay.
those are your risers for your seats.
I got you.
And you know, so if you're a cool trucker,
Yeah.
you need to like dump the air and sit down.
Right.
So we went ahead and put the sit so low seat bases on both seats for you. That way the seats slide further back and get the risers so the seat will go down lower.
Gotcha.
Makes it a lot more comfortable.
It looks like there's a lot of leg room in there.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
You
Very
can
sweet.
Walk around and take a truck out. It's
We've got our lift axle. This was a 20K? I can't remember. Steer.
yes.
Steer axle. Or
Okay, steerable. The rears are 46,000 pound rears with new wave suspension.
Double frame.
yeah, full double frame, right?
Yeah.
You
And
can
you know-
see it right there.
I've said this to a couple of different people.
Mhm.
This is the heaviest fifth wheel setup I think I've ever seen in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you know, Bruce helped me spec this out.
Yeah. I mean, this is like a way overkill fifth wheel. This thing has 2 pins on the one side, the
Yeah.
locking mechanism. Yeah. So there's 2 pins, and then I don't know if you guys needed a convertible or not, but like this pin right here. I mean, you guys don't ever pull like frameless dump trailers or
No.
anything like that, right? So like this pin goes in for like frameless trailers to kind of keep the fifth wheel from tilting
Yeah.
forward or back and twisting those frameless trailers. But still, I mean, it's this is a heavy fifth wheel.
Well, there's number one. That looks really good, man.
A lot better than the short one.
Oh, yeah. That looks really good. We should do something with these, like a trophy or something for.
Hey, Brian. Yeah.
Or come to this side. Look at her go, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop.
We look at the back.
And then we're gonna slide one of these in here, in there, not in here. Figure out the little wire situation. What side do you want the wires on, Brian? Driver's?
Driver's side.
Okay. Alrighty, there they are, brand new stacks. Now these are active stacks, right, Brian?
They are. They are.
As active as they get these days, anyway. As active as the EPA allows them to be. Boy, they are pretty. That didn't take long either. Just 10 minutes? 20? Man, not 20. 15, maybe? 10, 15? Sweet. We'll end up changing out all these lights. Maybe adding a couple. Oh, you already put LED lights in the headlights, didn't you?
Yep.
Yep. So we swapped out the regular bulbs with LEDs.
These little bolts right here.
Because y'all have seen me many early mornings and late evenings. So, good bright headlight. It's gonna be sweet. See those up there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Mechanic Ashley. So far we've got stacks up. That visor is freaking sweet. And you painted the inside of it, Brian.
Yeah.
I mean, does that happen often?
We try to do that on as many as we can. Like that's something we've always sort of done.
Yeah,
to make a match. I feel like when you're driving a truck, it feels finished
Yeah.
when it's done like that.
I can't wait to sit in the driver's seat. Ashley is over here working on strobe lights. We got Shock finishing up the mirror brackets. A couple more things and we're freaking ready to roll, dude.
Close. When y'all get done tying the wires up, y'all can put the old deal back on the radiator.
I'm just freaking beside myself. This thing is,
Once you're all done, yeah. It'll go,
this thing is
it'll go down
freaking
there.
mean and awesome. Yeah, now, don't forget, this is a working truck. We're not building a pavement princess, but we are going to continually, add and clean and, modify and keep it pretty. That's for sure. This is a point of pride right here. This is, I never in my life thought I'd do something like this, but here we are. Today's the day.
Now you're doing it.
Yeah. Ashley, you want to get your CDL now?
Yeah, so we can build another one.
Build another one? Okay. Yeah, we can do it. Get you a big trailer. Haul some. You want to haul cattle or?
I want to haul the truck to a truck shed.
Oh.
Semi-casual truck shed.
Okay. All right. Well, there's that too. Shock, what in the world are you doing with a hammer and a punch?
Trying to tear stuff up.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to the break room. I'm done. Brian just handed this to me from inside the truck. I don't know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the final touch, wasn't it?
Yeah, we just gotta clean our mess now.
Yeah. So we've got stacks added, we've got box covers added, we've got strobe lights here and in the grill. We'll turn them on in a minute. We've got a strobe light back there, box cover here. What else did we do? Those strobes took quite a while. We got our CB mounted. A little dark in here right now, but we've got our semi-casual shifter plate installed. We've got our seat plates installed, so the leg room in here is now massive, and if somebody wants to ride on the bottom, they can, which I do not do. But now I've got leg room for days. That's gonna be nice. What else have we done? Doesn't sound like much at the moment, but got all the stickers off the windows, you know, just getting everything kind of arranged up and prettied up. There's gonna be a lot more done on this truck than what you see. Like I said before, it is a working truck. It's not a pavement princess, so everything that we do on here is going to be somewhat, to a degree, functional, but also good looking, because this is now my baby. One of two. The Mac's my baby too. The Mac's my redheaded stepchild. All right, here we go. Check out the strobe lights. That is really freaking cool. Side light. So now, the absolute second we make it back to Florida, we're ready to wide load, baby. Well, ladies and gentlemen, she's outside the building. Elvis has left the building.
What do we name this thing?
I don't know.
I got the name. You ready?
What?
The Green Bean.
The Green Bean?
That's a t-shirt.
Hey, you know, we were putting this whole thing together inside in a hurry.
Yeah.
Put those stacks on in a hurry. Well, that one we didn't really put her on.
Oh, yeah. Bad crooked.
Yeah. We'll go to this test ride, pull it back in, and we'll slap her back up there.
All right. Let me do a little walk around outside in the beautiful snow. She is pretty. I'm glad he spotted that stack. I'll tell you what, you want to talk about excited and dedicated. We knew it was going to be blizzard conditions, snowing, cold. This morning at Brian's house, it was -6. I don't know that it got above 10 today, did it? I'm not sure. 12. So definitely excited, probably slightly crazy, maybe mostly crazy. But we're headed for a test drive. Let's go.
I think
That's too high of a gear. What gear was that?
you're on the high side probably. Is it splitter down or up?
Up.
Yeah, go down.
But I thought that was, oh, okay. I got to get used to that. I haven't done a lot of 18 speed driving. I don't want to take off in first. Okay, so then this should have been forward. All right, I got it. That should be 5, all right? Where's my indicator?
Oh, you're a 4. It's right at the bottom.
Oh, okay, there it is. There it is. There it is. All right. Trying to get used to it. Haven't done. This is only my 3rd time driving an 18 speed. So.
Well, you're doing great.
I've only driven 200 yards, dude. And I had to change gears 3 times.
First test drive.
It'll take a little getting used to, but I'll get it. Plus, I am on a freaking bed of ice.
Yeah.
Which I do. I do a lot of ice road trucking in Florida.
Yeah. Well, y'all get a bunch of that. I've seen it on the. Were you on the TV show? Didn't they have a TV show?
Ice road truckers.
Yeah.
Ice road lake truckers, Lake Ariana, Auburndale, Florida. Gotta have a really big snorkel just in case.
He's got an ice truck. Y'all need to get a shot of an ice truck next. Like pulling up, like unloading bags into an ice chest in front of like a 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Ice road trucking, folks.
Little, you know, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a touch nervous, but going smooth.
So you know how to do your gauges. You can roll this wheel,
Okay.
and it'll start giving you options.
All right.
There you go. Now you can see more stuff.
Right now, I just want to follow my gears.
It looks cold out.
What kind of fuel we got in this thing?
We're good. We got plenty.
Okay, we're at quarter tank. Still gonna have to do a lot of mirror adjustment, seat adjustment, feel everything out. I feel like those big mirrors need to be tilted down.
You have power mirrors.
Yeah, but they don't tilt down.
No,
That's a wrench, I believe.
that is.
Look at that visor.
What's this guy think he's doing getting in front of me? Yeah, this one steers just like Bruce's with those wider tires on the front.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of a, gotta get used to that. That's all right. This is a sweet, sweet ride.
You liking it?
Man, it is gonna be, when I'm done at the end of the day in my other trucks, I am beat up, especially the KW. I mean, I love the KW to death, don't get me wrong, but it's a 1990 spring ride. I mean, I won't get rid of it. We're actually gonna put airbags under it. But this is gonna make those 12, 15 hour days a lot more comfortable.
You're gonna be spoiled.
Yeah, I'm gonna be spoiled. All right, so we're back in the shop. Went on our test ride, obviously, and when we were doing a little walk around earlier, we noticed this stack is right on the money. This stack is quite a bit off, so we're gonna get that one adjusted. Little smoky in here. They've been working on a truck over there, but gonna make an adjustment on this stack, and then I think we're gonna go get some rest and hit the road in the morning. Look at here, got some snow on the old girl.
Yes, sir.
Well, we're fueling her up for the first time. It is still freaking cold here in Tennessee. Whew. I've had to use fuel treatment, anti-gel, for the first time in my entire life. Go to Tennessee and buy a truck, they said. Don't worry about the snow. You'll be okay. We're gonna work our way over to Mississippi. We got some stuff to pick up there from our vacation, and then we'll be making our way home. But for now, we're gonna try to stay warm.